Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you scroll down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you won't get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me, you're like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la.
Hey guys, and welcome to my first Clean With Me video, you guys. I have been wanting to do a video like this for the longest time, but I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I just want you guys to catch a vibe of the music, get motivated to clean your space, whether that's your bedroom, bathroom, downstairs, upstairs. Let's just clean with me today, you guys. And I'll pop in here and there to talk about some products, but I won't be talking too much. Hope you guys enjoy.
Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you won't get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me, you're like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times. I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply. I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you showed me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine.
This is a gentle reminder to clean under your couches, you guys. Sweep under those couches, especially if you have kids. You'd be surprised the things you find under there. I really have been contemplating getting one of those robo vacuums that just clean your place overnight. Like, if you guys have one of those, please give me a recommendation or let me know if it's worth it. Just leave a comment down in the comments below. To clean my glass tabletop, I use Windex, the original one. Do not buy the one with ammonia, you guys. It will leave streaks everywhere and it gets so annoying. That happened to me one time, so I'm telling you guys, get the original. It does a really great job. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wash dishes in complete silence. So this morning I'm listening to this podcast that I just found. It's called Soft Life Through Christ. And let me tell you, that first episode is so interesting, you guys. So I've also been using this Scrub Daddy sponge that was viral on TikTok. I really like it because it does not keep odor, or if it does, it's probably just a little bit, but I don't even think that it does. So highly recommend. I really love this Clorox disinfectant mist, you guys. I use it for every single surface out there, okay? It is the GOAT. I just love the way it mists and not sprays. It's just a whole vibe, okay? And I'm going to use this to clean my kitchen countertops. Like I said, I use it everywhere, and you're going to see it multiple times throughout this video. So I'm using this Swiffer wet jet to clean my floors. I love using the Swiffer wet jet, especially when the floors aren't really that dirty, but I use the O-Cedar mop, which is the OG, the GOAT of all mops, whenever I need to do a deep cleaning, you guys. So I would highly recommend it. It's kind of a little pricey, but it's completely worth it. Like, you don't even have to touch them up or wring them up yourself, because there's like a thing that you can press with your foot and it will ring your mop for you. So 10 on 10, okay? Get you an O-Cedar mop. Also, if you guys are flat-footed like me and you also get back pain while cleaning, I highly recommend these Nike slides or comfortable shoes while cleaning. But these slides were $14, best $14 I have ever spent. Guys, this Resolve multi-fabric upholstery cleaner is the girl for you. If you have light furniture, light fabric furniture, it's gonna clean it so well. This is just a gentle reminder to clean the entire toilet, you guys. The tank, the handle, the top, the bottom. Please just disinfect and clean the entire toilet.
Yeah, so we gone, stop, we good, stop, chill, we on, scale, let's go, Domingo, let's go, take, let's go, set, let's roll, straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah, don't none get strained but straightening, don't none get strained but straightening, don't none get strained but straightening, you don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it, in this game sit back, be patient, niggas act like the game went vacant, niggas act like something been taken, what, ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening, been kicking shit popping out daily, on the island it's a movie I'm making, I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro, he telling them that you're amazing, put that shit on, didn't get shit on, I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on, she put this wrist on, she factory said it with Richard Mill Prone, turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on, them niggas gon' pull up and act like the shit is together, won't fuck with you home, I don't do the fake kicking, there go a rocket is taking it, it's a problem with you, then we straighten it.
So my son has very sensitive skin, you guys, so we just use the Drift baby detergent to wash our clothes, because ever since we started doing that, we stopped seeing him breaking out, so that's why I'm using Drift.
Don't not get strained but straighten, don't not get strained but straighten, don't not get strained but straighten, you don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it, you don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it, I'm gonna sit back and watch patient, do a trick with the stick, it's amazing, in the bando, chopping out bacon, loads on like I'm starting in the matrix, I get the cookie like my grandma made it, I get the keys and the pounds and the babies, and the bridge came white like shady, try to lamp up through the avenue, spit a little bit with an attitude, give a shout out to them white boys, all white rolls look radical, keep you a five, don't let them take it, if they get George, you gotta get straight, I got you up, I give them a
Now I'm just going to fold some laundry while I catch up on the new season of Selling Sunset. I had so much fun watching this season, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Check out the rest of my videos and I'll see you guys in the next one.
straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah, don't not get strained but straightening, don't not get strained but straightening, don't not get strained but straightening, you don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.